Collagen is a protein that plays a crucial role in maintaining the health and integrity of various tissues in the body, including the skin, joints, and gut. While collagen is often associated with its benefits for skin and joint health, it may also have some potential benefits for gut health. 1. Digestive health. Collagen contains the amino acids glycine, proline, and glutamine, which are important for the health of the gut lining. Glycine, in particular, is thought to help repair and protect the intestinal lining, which can be beneficial for individuals with conditions like leaky gut syndrome. 2. Reducing inflammation. Some research suggests that collagen may help reduce inflammation in the gut. Chronic inflammation in the gut can lead to various digestive issues and may contribute to conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and inflammatory bowel disease, IBD. 3. Supporting gut barrier function. The gut lining acts as a barrier to prevent harmful substances from entering the bloodstream. Collagen may help support the integrity of this barrier, reducing the risk of harmful molecules and pathogens passing through the gut lining. 4. Aiding in digestion. Collagen is a rich source of the amino acid glycine, which may help stimulate stomach acid production and support the digestive process. Adequate stomach acid is important for breaking down food and absorbing nutrients effectively. 5. Enhancing gut microbiota. Collagen may also provide nutrients that support the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. A healthy balance of gut bacteria is essential for overall gut health. You can incorporate collagen into your diet in various ways. 1. Collagen supplements. Collagen supplements are available in powder, capsule, or liquid form. They are easy to add to beverages, smoothies, or even recipes like soups and stews. 2. Bone broth. Bone broth is a natural source of collagen. Simmering bones, such as chicken or beef bones, for an extended period can extract collagen and other nutrients. 3. Collagen-rich foods. Include foods like chicken skin, pork skin, and fish skin in your diet, as they contain collagen. 4. Collagen-boosting foods. Consume foods that promote collagen production in the body, such as foods rich in vitamin C, citrus fruits, strawberries, bell peppers, and amino acids like glycine. Bone broth, pork, and chicken. While there is some evidence supporting the potential benefits of collagen for gut health, more research is needed to fully understand its mechanisms and effectiveness. It's also important to note that collagen supplements are generally considered safe, but it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before adding them to your diet, especially if you have underlying medical conditions or are taking medications. A balanced diet with a variety of nutrients is essential for overall gut health. Thanks for watching.